gotta get into the bank. So this guy right here, he's gonna get us into the bank. There's this guy here that I know, and he's gonna get into the bank.
Right.
This is Michael Day-Sam. He's gonna fund this operation. So this is Franklin. Yeah, he's the getaway driver. Right here. He's going. We're gonna connect him to the bank, right? But how secure this bank is, he is the getaway driver. So this guy, Michael, he is really good at driving. Michael knows Franklin. He knows him. That's how we got him. He once tried to break into his house, and instead, they joined the heist. So, you guys ready for this heist? We got the guys for the heist. Did you guys understand?
Yes.
Good.